freshly picked veggies. Let's get into this tomato salad though. My life is my canvas. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me create. Kweeni Indilife. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we are making a fall fresh tomato salad. It just takes a few ingredients, but we're gonna make it delicious. It'll still be healthy. We're gonna do a homemade vinaigrette dressing. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the onion and the tomatoes chopped up really quick. And that's gonna be the base of our tomato salad. But you know what? That dressing is gonna take the flavors to the next level. And I'm not exaggerating on that, you guys. I'm telling you, this dressing was so good, I was drinking it afterwards. But anyway, you'll see for yourself all of the love and flavor that I put into it. And hopefully you'll try it home. I'm gonna finish putting these together real quick. I'll be back and we'll get started on the vinaigrette. Alright, you guys, we are ready to put our vinaigrette together, and we're gonna start off with my secret ingredient. It is none other than anchovy paste. You guys, don't be slipping on the anchovy paste. If you don't know what I'm talking about, try it. Alright, next we have the nutritional yeast paste and we have the garlic paste. That right there is oregano herb paste. Honey. Alright, we got our ground turmeric going. Ground ginger, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, you guys, grapeseed oil. Alright, now we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. I have my sea salt here. And then I'm going to brown some pepper. And I believe I ran out, but I got just enough of those nice big flakes of ground pepper, which I love, 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 especially on fresh vegetables. And then I believe I use some more ground pepper that's already ground up. Loves the pepper. Alright, and believe it or not, that is it for our homemade vinaigrette. We're gonna whip this thing up nice and good. And you guys, when I tell you amazing flavor, like, it is really good. And believe it or not, you can use this for a sauce if you wanted to cook it and make it thicker over the stove. If you wanted to use it as a marinade, of course it works wonderfully as a vinaigrette for fresh vegetables. But this sauce right here, or it could be a sauce, but it's a vinaigrette right now. It is very tasty. I love it. So I'm gonna get our salad nice and coated with this delicious sauce, and I like to let it sit for 5, maybe 10 minutes just to get it a little bit marinated with the sauce. I keep calling it sauce, y'all. I guess I should call it the sauce vinaigrette. But it is really, really tasty. And I'm sorry that I did not give precise measurements, but you guys saw a general idea of how much I use. This is one of those recipes that is eye only. You know how your grandma and them be giving y'all recipes? That's one of them right here. It's one of them eyeballing recipes. So no garden fresh salad would be the same without some garden fresh herbs, right? So we're gonna go and pick our mint, as you see there. And it smells so good, you guys. We got our lemon balm. And that also smells lovely. And we're gonna take a few other herbs that were around the yard. That's the mint, that's the lemon balm. But I also got some wood sorrel, which I'm holding there. And I actually had a couple of these cilantro cloves growing. My cilantro did not do the greatest this year, and I can say that honestly. But whatever I did have, I used that joint for this salad. Alright, so now we're going to take all that fresh deliciousness. We're going to add it to our salad to top it off. Now we got all the flavors, all the herbs. I really want y'all to try this salad, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you do. And if you do, let me know if you follow my recipe. Or if you kind of change it up and use a few of your own flavors. I'd be curious to know that. But yeah, this right here is everything. And this became my lunch and my dinner. So I'm making myself a nice little helping right now, and I'm about to tear it up, y'all. I'm about to tear it up. You guys, let me know what you think of the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment if you want to see more videos like this. And if you have any ideas for things that you want to see me doing, let me know that as well. I want to hear from you guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.